Just another update video on the birds, the pheasants. In here I got some baby quail, some Coturnix quail. There's 8 of them in here. And in here I got all the bigger chickens. And the turkeys. I got a Bantam Phoenix hen on some eggs, and then over there I got some Old English hens on eggs, and then I have a Chinese goose on 8 eggs, and then right in there's the male. We can see if he comes back by. Oh, there's the male. And then over here in the red coop I got some more baby chickens. Here's the old chicken coop. I need to fix our little ladder. It's kind of falling apart. But anyway, there's a blue Americana. There's a lighter blue Americana rooster in there too. That one's a Banny. There's a white Americana. There's the blue one right there. There's an Araucana right back there. The little rumpless one with the tufts. And Seabright. And another naked neck hen for my little rooster I have. And I have a little white Duclay right back there. And then some Banny Cochins and some D'Anvers chicks. And then they'll stay in here for a while, and then they'll eventually go into the big coop. Okay everybody, thanks for watching. Oh, that's a Australorp rooster, Australorp mix. And that's a little Old English rooster. I don't know what kind of Old English he is. And then a better view of my male goose. And then a little mixed hen right back here. I think it's a mixed anyway. And then that's my buffed, black-tailed buffed Japanese bantam rooster. And the hen's inside the coop.